It used to impress me when somebody had the faith to start something. Now what impresses me is somebody who has the fortitude to finish it.
There's some point in your life, drama gonna come and meet you in your face, mess with you, and try to get you to quit doing what you're doing.
There's times in your life when things gonna happen that you've got to begin to put your dream on hold. It's called life.
Things aren't always gonna work out, and things aren't always gonna go your way. You actually have to make them go your way. You have to make them work out.
You have to suck it up and handle it. That's what they call being a risk taker, walking by faith and not by sight. Stuff happens to you.
And just when it seems impossible to hold on, that's the time to hold on.
You will fail your way to success. You will fail your way to success. It doesn't matter how many times you fail. It doesn't matter how many times people tell you that you can't do it. It doesn't matter if you don't have a dime in the bank. You will fail your way to success.
Fall down, get back up again. Fall down, get back up again. Fall down, get back up again. That's how you win.
Don't you quit. I don't care how many times you fall. Get yourself up, dust yourself off, and try it again. You got to man up. Sometimes you got to say it with your chest. I ain't gonna quit. I ain't gonna give up. I'm the head and not the tail. I will be successful. I have an extraordinary mind. I have an amazing determination. And in the end, I'm gonna have the victory.
See, when you make a commitment, I'm going to become wealthy, when you make it important, when you decide I'm going to do it no matter what, life changes for you. See, most people don't keep their commitments to their commitments. That's why they lead lives of poverty, lives of misery, lives of unhappiness. So part of what you must do, whatever commitment that you make, keep your commitment to your commitment. No matter what. If it's hard, then do it hard. But keep your commitment to your commitment. Know your vitamin. Get excited about the no. Why? Because every time someone says no, that brings you another step to a yes. You're getting closer. Trust me, you will win if you don't quit.